Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a background image on your Gmail account. So here you can see that I am on my Gmail. If you want to change the background image, for that you need to click on settings on the top right, and then you need to click on view all options in the theme section. Here you can see some of the images. So if I choose this one, and you can see the background that my image has been changed. If you want more options, then you need to click on my photos and then go to featured, and here you will see a ton of other options. You can choose any of the picture that you like. So if I like this one, I'm going to choose this and then click on select, and then once you are done you need to click on save, and there you go, your background image has been changed on your Gmail. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.